Hi, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you are all safe and healthy at home. Okay, children. Today I am going to take a new poem is Beyond the Universe. The title is Beyond the Universe. From the title itself, we come to know the full poem is about the universe. First, shall we start to read the meanings of the new words. Yes, before we start the poem, we learn some new words in this poem. Okay, children? Yes, the first word is beyond. Beyond means outside the limits or reach. Beyond means outside the limits or reach. The second word is amidst. Amidst means surrounded by. Amidst means surrounded by. Third word is marveling. Marveling means something that causes wonder. Fourth word is resembles. Resembles means to be like or similar to. Resembles means to be like or similar to. Fifth word is marbles. Fifth word is marbles. Marbles means a little ball of glass or clay used by children to play. Sixth word is hurling. Hurling means racing over the barriers. Seventh word is further. Further means to move ahead. Further means to move ahead. Okay. Shall we move first stanza in this poem? Yes. Now I will read the first stanza in this poem. Beyond the universe. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and their countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Okay, in this stanza, the poet says he had a dream. In the dream, he is flying beyond the earth. He was flying beyond the earth. Then he was admiring the planet and countless stars. When he was flying beyond the earth, he was admiring the planets and countless stars. Next line, he says that when he was flying, that time he was stopped by one planet that is called as Mars. He was stopped by one planet. That planet name is Mars, which is otherwise known as red planet. The red planet, because of its nature, he also mentioned as the last line, Mars as home away from home. Because we know that human being doing some research and we hope that this chance for human truly wanted planet Mars. That's why the poet has mentioned Mars as a home away from home. The last line mentioned no. Mars as a home away from home. Okay. Shall we move on the second stanza in this poem? Yes, the second stanza. Fly on to watch the Saturn, which eats ring moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moon. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Yes, in the second stanza, he talks about another two planets. First, he talked about the Saturn. He mentioned that the Saturn was having a ring and moon. The Saturn was having ring and moon. Then he stopped by the planet Jupiter. And he says that Jupiter is a marveled one, because he was so shocked to see one of the biggest planet in the solar system. He was so shocked to see one of the biggest planet in the solar system. And he also mentioned that it was look like a red stone. So the Jupiter planet is look like a red stone. It appears as a marbles to his eyes. Children, shall I read third stanza in this poem? Yes, we can start now. Hurling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant, farther high I fly beyond the galaxy. Curling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant, further high I fly beyond the galaxy. In this stanza, what he says, that further he was flying in a high. But something was disturbed. He got that trouble. Something he was disturbing, and he was got the trouble. What he was got the trouble? He was disturbed by the belt of asteroids. He was disturbed by the belt of asteroids. To reach the green was disturbed. The belt of the asteroids to reach the Uranus. After flying across the belt of asteroids, it's easy for to reach the Uranus with any fast means without any disturbance. First means without any disturbance. Then he easily went on to the Uranus. Next he says that he was chopped last by the planet is Neptune. The last away the planet name is Neptune. I mentioned Neptune as a blue ice giant through it was blue in your nature, and it was cold. He says that blue ice chain against this just keep on flying to the next level. Okay, children. Next, shall we move on to stanza 4? To meet the creature of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to walk across the galaxies. To meet the creature of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to walk across the galaxy. So, in the fourth stanza, what he says, he want to meet the who? Creature. He want to meet the creature, and he want to move across the Milky Way. First, he want to meet creature, and he want to meet her across the Where? Milky Way. He wants to move across the Milky Way and he wants to move across the galaxy. In order to meet the creature of this magnificent display, he want to meet the creature of the magnificent display. Okay. He was unbelievable to see whole display, which was just seeing by himself beyond the universe. He was unbelievable to see a whole display, which was just saying by himself beyond the universe. So he says that I want to meet the creature. I want to move further. I want to move further high in his flying. That is the whole poem, Beyond the Universe. So we saw in this poem how he traveled. How he traveled. So I explained in this poem how he traveled, what things he have seen. So go through this poem. Keep on in your mind, children. Okay. Children, learn and write in this poem meanings and question answers.